In today's video, I'm going to teach you what public groups in Salesforce are and how you can efficiently create and utilize them. Public groups in Salesforce are incredibly valuable tools that help you manage collections of users, roles, or even other groups. They serve multiple purposes, such as aiding in sharing rules, granting access to folders, and maintaining list views. These groups are essential for managing visibility and permissions in your organization in a smooth and efficient way. Now let's jump into how you can create and use these public groups within Salesforce. The first step is to click on the gear icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. Once you've done that, a drop-down menu will appear, and from here, you'll need to select the Setup option. This action will open up a wide range of options. Don't be overwhelmed, it's all part of the process of setting up your group. The next step involves making use of the Quick Find box. This box is a nifty tool designed to help you locate whatever you need swiftly so you don't have to browse through endless menus. In this box, type in Public Groups and then select it from the search results. This action will take you to a new section that is specifically dedicated to managing public groups within Salesforce. Now comes the exciting part: creating a new public group. All you need to do is click on New, and this will allow you to start defining the attributes of your group. You'll be prompted to enter a label and a group name. The API name will automatically fill in based on these entries, so you don't need to worry about that. The label is the name you'll see on the interface, while the group name is crucial for identifying the group in any back-end operations or integrations with other systems. Once you have your naming sorted out, it's time to select the members. From the available members list, you can choose user accounts, roles, or even other pre-existing groups that you want to include. This step is vital for ensuring that the correct people or teams have the specific access they need. After making your selections, click on Add to move them into the selected members list. This action finalizes your choices, ensuring that only those you've specifically chosen will be part of this group. Finally, after reviewing all your selections, it's crucial to save your changes. This is a vital step. Forgetting to save will mean that all your hard work disappears. And just like that, you've successfully created a public group in Salesforce. Understanding how to leverage public groups can greatly enhance your ability to manage visibility and permissions, boosting your team's collaboration and productivity. Whether you're managing large teams or integrating multiple systems, public groups give you that extra layer of control and organization. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing with Salesforce.